Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I'll show you in this video so attractive ideas of highlights in short hair with beautiful haircut. Very attractive and stylish hairstyling. And many much more beautiful collection of highlights in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of highlights, some ideas full hair, cap highlights, and some ideas full hair foil highlights, and some collection only bang highlights, and some ideas front ear to ear highlights, and so beautiful ideas of dark base color, in burgundy highlights and blonde highlights, and some ideas in today's my collection funky highlights with light base color. So attractive haircut in short hair. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, some ideas with bang, chin length bang, nose length bang, and very stylish beautiful collection of hairstyling, fine hair hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some ideas make curl with curler, spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, very stylish collection of messy hairstyle. Overall collection very stylish and latest of highlights in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.